Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Telegram download file. First of all, open the Telegram app. So from here, what to do? We will go and check the permissions of Telegram in my journal settings. So open the phone settings, click to app management, click to app list and find the Telegram app here. When you reach the Telegram app, click to it and click to permissions. So from here you will see the denied. You can just allow the all three denied permissions, allow it, and this is must storage, allow it. So all permissions are allowed. Now go back and open the Telegram app on this Android device and click to settings, and from the settings you will just click to data and storage. Again click to storage usage, and you must be clear the cache and go back and open the any random chat and download some picture or audio or video. So I will just download this picture from the Telegram, just save to gallery and go back on the home screen and open my gallery and just refresh it, and you will see this Telegram download file are here easily. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.